I'm going to be talking about the ways that I displayed my blogs, and I'm going to be showing you examples of how to use Blogger and the different ways of presenting blogs. So this is the main site when you get onto Blogger once you've logged in, and you click onto your group's blog and it comes up with selections on the side and you just click posts. These are all of the past posts made by my group, but to create a new post you click new post, select a title, I'm just going to write example, and then you compose whichever you want. So on the right hand side there's selections to put on your post, so labels. For this case, because there's 3 of us in our group, we label it with our names, so I'm going to label my name there. If you want to change the date of when your blog is posted, there's an option here to do that. And then the rest is for links and your location. So say you want to put a picture onto your blog, you insert an image here and you would upload an image. If you want to put a video that you have filmed on the blog, same thing, choose an image from that icon. From YouTube, here you would type in Amy Winehouse, let's say, click it, select, and there we go, it's on your blog, but we don't want that. And I'm going to show you about putting in the HTML. So to make the blog more interesting and like visually stimulating, there's 4 main sites that I used. The first one being Prezi. Just going to log in. So when you log in, this is the page that's come up. All of my past Prezis are here. To make a new Prezi, select new Prezi. And it's pretty basic to use, like, to be honest. But, so you get to choose a template. There's quite a lot of templates for what kind of vibe you're going for. I'm gonna just randomly select one. And then the rest is pretty basic. It's just like creating a PowerPoint, title, and then you can insert videos from YouTube. You just paste your YouTube link here. And then here it is, it's appeared on the page. Just put it there and it should play. Oh. There we go, it's playing. And then the rest you can insert images from Google. You just type in anything, so you just drag and drop it. Also you can drag and drop images from your desktop onto the presentation. And then once you're done with your presentation, you're happy with it, it already automatically saves like every few minutes, but just save it again just to be safe. And then press exit and your presentation's done. Now to put this onto the blog, you'd press embed, you'd copy the code, and then go onto your HTML put space between the last thing that's been there, and paste the embed code, then press publish. See what that looks like. You would then press view, and here your Prezi is. The second main website that I use to present my work was probably Emaze, which is very similar to Prezi. Just logging in. It's similar to Prezi, but it just has more what's the word I'm looking for? More backgrounds to present on. So I'm going to choose this one. It's the same kind of thing as Prezi. You can insert images, images from a website. You just paste the URL there, and then you can insert YouTube clips, Vimeo clips, all just by pasting the embed code or the URL there. Then the same thing, you save, and then you share it, copy the embed code and put that onto the blog the same way you did with the Prezi. And it will come up on your blog. There's a lot of deadlines that needed to be written about. So to do that, I used a website called Time Toast. This allowed me to display schedules, but in a more interesting way. I'm just gonna log in. There we go. So I'm going to show you an example of our production schedule, which I made on Time Toast. So it literally says the dates at the bottom, and then where the times and stuff in these little bubbles. I'm just going to quickly show you how to make that. So you go to your account, add timeline, create a title, and then create. And you literally add, it's really simple, click add event, whatever you're going to be doing, so making video, the date, and then you can write a time yourself, so 9:57, and then you'd write what you'd be doing, insert an image, and then you create it. And then literally you just create as many as you need, and it will come up as a schedule in the order, by date order. And then once you're done with that, you click it to public so you can share it. And then you just click embed. Same thing, copy the embed code and paste that onto the HTML bit on your blog. Lastly, the last main method of presentation that I used was Powtoon, which is a more it's not as formal as Prezi and Emaze, and it just looks different to the rest of them. I'll just show you what I mean. So this is an example. So you just create a new slide. There's more animations in this, so it's more for less writing, more animation, and you just double click here, write what you need, and then press play, and it comes up more as like a film rather than a presentation. Once you're done with that, you press save, export, and then embed. And once you're completely finished with your blog with all of the presentations in it, you can just press publish, then view, and you'll be able to see all of the blogs you made.